Hi, this is Lisa Henderson, editor of Applied Clinical Trials, and I'm here to talk about strategic outsourcing. We've heard and read a lot about strategic outsourcing, which is the aligning of sponsor and CROs in a more integrated way to run clinical trials from a project or a portfolio standpoint in order to gain efficiencies and ultimately save money. At a late fall CBI conference I attended, this subject, do strategic alliances save money, came up, and the majority of the attendees felt that yes, they do in the long run. But there was a lot of discussion about the relationship challenges, and you can read my previous blog on that topic here. But beyond the more surface challenges of managing such an intricate relationship, there is a debate on the cost side. How can the cost savings be proven, and are they real? In April 2013, Applied Clinical Trials published this peer-reviewed article challenging the value of strategic partnerships in clinical trial outsourcing. The article did come under debate among our own peer reviewers based on the fact that little to no data exists to support the claims made. However, the opposite point was that no hard data does exist about the model. Here are some comments from the peer reviewers. While potentially provocative, it is essentially opinion without data to support the claims. The conclusion actually calls for research to be done to establish whether or not strategic partnerships have substantive value. Another comment, the author refers at least to the point that parties promoting strategic partnerships have, with the exception of Lilly, not published hard data on savings. And although there is a lack of hard data presented that backs the author's position, one of their points is that despite all the rhetoric that strategic partnerships are better for sponsors, there is little or no data to support that contention. So soon after the article was published, Parexel released its report, Strategic Partnerships 2013, and that was its first attempt to assemble and quantify the data around partnerships. Joshua Schultz, Corporate Vice President, Strategic Partnerships with Parexel, offers this response to the article appearing last month. And basically, Mr. Schultz says that hard data hasn't existed before because it's a completely new model and it takes time to collect and disseminate that. However, with this first attempt in the independently vetted report, Schultz is confident that more data will continue to support the strategic partnerships model. But what do you think? Are strategic partnerships in a too early to tell stage? Are they a passing fad, or are they here to stay? Let me know via email, LinkedIn group, or Twitter. Thanks.